I'm Aditi, welcome back to my channel, and this is the first video in my end-to-end build series. This is Reverie, an AI-powered memory app built with React Native and Expo, Supabase, Gemini, and an interactive D3 graph. Over the next 10 videos, I'm taking you through the entire build: design, backend, AI, search, graphs, and more. But before we get into all that, let me show you what we're actually building. Let's start with the core of the app, capturing a memory through chat. When I type something, the AI responds in real time, pulls out the exact memory, asks any clarifying questions if anything's unclear, categorizes it, and saves it automatically. Once a memory is saved, it shows up instantly in the list view. All saved memories appear here with the generated title, preview, date, and category. The app doesn't look for keywords. It uses vector similarity to find the closest memories. The memory graph. Every memory becomes a node on this interactive graph. You can drag them, zoom in, and even tap a node to read the memory. Now, let's get into the tech stack. The app is built with Expo and React Native for fast iteration and easy cross-platform support. Supabase handles both auth and the vector DB. Every memory is converted into an embedding for storage and semantic search. All the AI magic, chat answers, clarifying questions, memory extractions, title generation, is powered by Google's Gemini models. And I'm streaming responses using the Vercel AI SDK, which makes everything feel real time. Now, let me walk you through how this entire series is structured so you know exactly what we'll be building together. First up, the intro. That's this video. Next video, we'll jump straight into Figma, designing the full color system, typography scale, and the high fidelity screens. Then, in video 3, we'll set up our project. That includes initializing the Expo app, installing libraries, and building out a folder structure that follows atomic design principles. Video 4 covers Supabase authentication. We'll build out our auth flow, from onboarding to registration and login, all using Expo Router's protected routes feature. Video 5 is all about real-time AI chat. We will use a Gemini model with the Vercel AI SDK for streaming responses. In video 6, we'll save memories into Supabase using the pgvector extension for storing embeddings. Video 7 will bring search to life, instant keyword filtering, and semantic search using vector similarity. Video 9 will add voice input, recording clean audio using Expo-Audio and converting it to text. Video 9 is the big one, the interactive memory graph with D3 and WebView. And finally, video 10, animations and gestures to polish the whole experience. By the end, you'll know how to build a complete AI memory app from nothing, all the way to a polished, production-ready experience. If you want to follow the whole journey, or even build this app alongside me, hit subscribe and the notification bell so you're tuned in for the next video where we'll design the entire visual system in Figma.